For this tutorial, we're going to create custom patterns in Photoshop 2021. This is a technique used to fill a large document with a seamless custom-made pattern we also did. For the first step, we need to create a smaller document for our pattern. We will create our pattern in this document. Take note. You need to use a smaller document for the pattern so you could see it repeating seamlessly in a larger one. Create a new layer and using your paint bucket tool and your brush tools. Start drawing your pattern. This is often used in product packaging as well. If you want to fill a large document with a custom pattern, this technique would be very useful. Be creative in making your pattern. You can use shapes, custom brushes, and text as well. Once you are done with your pattern, next step is saving your pattern as a pattern preset. To do this next step, on your menu bar, click on Edit and look for Define Pattern. Click on it, and a window should appear. In this window, you will save your pattern preset. It would be better to name your pattern. Once you already saved your pattern, create a larger document. For the last part of this tutorial, next step is to click on Edit, find Fill, and a window should appear. By default, it will your layer with your foreground color. Click the drop-down arrow, and then find Pattern. Click the custom pattern below, and then look for the pattern you created a while ago. Click OK, and then you have your pattern seamlessly inserted on your layer. Click the custom pattern below, and then look for the pattern you created a while ago. Click OK, and then you have your pattern seamlessly inserted on your layer.